Trenzy Card Review. Hello friends, I am Manigandan. Welcome to my Trenzy Card Review. With Trenzy Card, you can build business apps, PWAs, and a digital business cards for businesses. The business owner gets his or her app with custom app icon installed right on their shopper's home screen. This is the most lucrative marketing space on the planet. Their shoppers can scan a QR code or click a link. That's exactly how easy it is for them to install. This avoids traditional App Store hassles. An additional feature included in their push notification messaging dashboard. This is where promotional message blast can be sent to shoppers who have installed the app. The message management dashboard also includes a scheduling calendar. Never again will the merchant miss out on sending out their holiday promotions with this feature. From your smartphone, you can create a digital business card on the spot for prospects or clients that they can immediately start sharing. Show them the end result, and in most cases, they will be so impressed they will want to buy it. You will be showing them instant results that can open the door to future upsells and creates trust and indicates their interest in other products you offer. Their new mobile platform experience allows you to create digital business cards right from your smartphone or PC. Before going to the demo video, I like to mention that one link is given in this video description below, and that is my affiliate link. And if you purchase the product from my affiliate link, also you will receive 30 plus extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses will be delivered instantly JVZoo purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. And if you want to know what are the extra bonuses you will get, I have put this bonus page link in the description below, so you can check what are the extra bonuses you will get. Thanks for watching. Now watch the official demo video of Trenzy Card.
Yeah.